Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the numerous health benefits of cinnamon tea. Are you ready to learn why you should consider drinking cinnamon tea daily? Let's dive into it. Cinnamon tea, derived from the bark of the cinnamon tree, offers an array of health benefits that may surprise you. Here are 8 reasons why you should incorporate cinnamon tea into your daily routine. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your body against damage caused by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants are known to reduce inflammation and may even play a role in preventing chronic diseases. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may assist in managing blood sugar spikes, making it a great choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the body, cinnamon tea may help alleviate symptoms of various conditions, including arthritis. Drinking cinnamon tea can contribute to a healthier heart. It may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cinnamon has been used for ages as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It can aid in digestion, relieve bloating, and ease stomach discomfort. Daily consumption of cinnamon tea might be beneficial for your digestive system. Cinnamon tea contains compounds that can enhance brain function. It may improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive abilities. So, by incorporating cinnamon tea into your routine, you may experience improved brain health. Cinnamon tea can give your immune system a boost. It has antimicrobial properties that can help fight against infections and strengthen your body's defenses. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may keep you healthier and more resistant to illnesses. If you are aiming for better weight management, cinnamon tea might be your ally. It can increase your metabolism and help control cravings, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Well, there you have it. 8 compelling reasons to start incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine. From its antioxidant power to its potential to support heart health and weight management, cinnamon tea offers a wide range of benefits. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Cheers to a healthier you with cinnamon tea.